This is the National Weather Service Office at Brookhaven National Laboratory in Upton, New York. The preceding signal was a test of the NOAA All Hazards Radio Public Warning System on station KWO35 from New York City. During potentially dangerous weather situations, specially built receivers can be automatically activated by the signal to warn of the impending hazard. Tests of the signal and receiver performance are normally conducted by the National Weather Service at 11 a.m. each Wednesday.
No need to respond. No need to respond. Testing fire mutual aid tones.
Okay, I don't know what that was about.
For the following counties in southeast New York: Bronx, Kings, Nassau, New York, Orange, Putnam, Queens, Richmond, Rockland, Suffolk, and Westchester. In northern and central New Jersey: Bergen, Essex, Hudson, Hunterdon, Middlesex, Monmouth, Morris, Passaic, Somerset, Sussex, Union, and Warren. And in southwest Connecticut: Fairfield. Once again, this was only a test.
So,
The current time is 7:05.
just had a test of the,
You're listening to NOAA's All Hazards Radio, station KWO35 in New York City. This broadcast originally
of KWO35, and then at the same time, Fire Mutual Aid decided to send out a test page.
This is just a test of the tones. No need to respond. No need to respond. Testing fire
And I
mutual
did
aid
it earlier
tones.
too.
Union County, this is a test only, a test of fire mutual aid. No need to respond. Union County Communications to all communication centers, attention, Union Ladder.
Alright, that was a real thing, but